You see, FES provides all of the education, support, and services needed to get any individual and family on track for security, protection, and peace of mind. How do we do it? The FES Protection Plan membership, a membership that protects your credit, family, finances, and future, and also provides the benefit of the FES Vista Money Prepaid MasterCard that actually says Protection Plan member on the card. With this exclusive membership, you're part of a one-of-a-kind program. It's one-of-a-kind because you get paid to use your membership. You benefit when you pay off your debt, have great credit, protect your family, secure your identity, and for just using it. And not only when you use your own membership, but when anyone else you care about has a Protection Plan membership, you earn money from them utilizing their membership. So what's included in your membership? Let's start with our core premium service, credit restoration. How many people out there today have less than perfect credit? You probably just laughed and said pretty much everyone. Exactly. About 43 million people have a 599 credit score or below, and about 83 million people don't even know what their credit score is. Most people don't even realize that over the course of their lifetime, having less than a 750 credit score could cost them anywhere from $200,000 up to $1 million. We're paying more for gas, electric, telephone, homeowners insurance, rent, mortgages, cars, credit cards, interest rates, and more. According to an MSN.com article, we could be paying up to 143% more for just our car insurance. And forget about getting approved for a new home or car, or who knows, maybe not even an education, and in some cases prevent you from even getting a job. Well, our credit restoration service works diligently to significantly increase your credit score with education and coaching, while also working to remove obsolete, inaccurate, and erroneous items from someone's credit file, such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, foreclosures, short sales, judgments, repossessions, delinquent school loans and medical bills, bankruptcies, and even tax liens. We have documented results where credit scores have gone from the 400s to the 700s and even 800s in a matter of months. Of course, you may be thinking, how can that be possible? Well, you just can't argue with results. We have a 10-year track record, a verifiable A-plus rating with the Better Business Bureau. We're certified at the highest level, and we even offer a satisfaction money-back guarantee. And the best part is we've already helped tens of thousands of people. The FES Protection Plan membership also includes a will, a trust, and a healthcare and financial power of attorney with ongoing and unlimited changes. Did you know that about 90% of the people don't have these vital documents? With the Protection Plan membership, now you do. How about a debt payoff system that can have you out of debt mortgage-free in less than half the time it takes the average person making regular payments? About 30 cents of every dollar earned goes to just paying interest on debt. With your membership, you're well on your way to being debt-free. You get a financial lockbox, which organizes, tracks, and places all of your personal and financial information in one safe, secure place for you and your loved ones to easily access when needed. You'll also have the most trusted name in identity theft protection and a $1 million total service guarantee. About every 3 seconds, an identity is stolen. So how do you know while you're watching this video it didn't just happen to you? With your membership, you're always protected. What about life insurance? With this membership, you're eligible for up to $50,000. So do you currently have a membership like this? And do you have an FES Vista Money Prepaid MasterCard in your wallet that says Protection Plan member on it? Probably not. But the real question is, should you? Undoubtedly, yes. You see, with FES, now you can have protection that pays. You're basically getting paid to protect yourself and your family. So are you thinking, what's the catch? Well, the only catch is understanding that you're not just buying a membership, you're protecting your future. If you were to seek all of these imperative services individually, you could literally pay up to $10,000. But the FES Protection Plan membership is nowhere close to that. It's only $87 per month, and even the potential to get it for free. So you're getting the most affordable, prestigious, and elite benefit program there is in America today. In addition, by simply having a membership, you automatically contribute $2 each month to the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, an organization dedicated to preparing young people for a more secure and sustainable financial future. A great thing to do is to visit united-credit.org and fesprotectionplan.com to see the quality of the services we offer. Now, remember when we talked about opportunity and seizing the moment? This is it. Wouldn't we all agree that everyone needs to protect themselves and their families? And wouldn't we also agree that most people don't have a program that provides these kinds of services, solutions, and benefits? Also, about 25% of the population doesn't even have a bank account. So a membership that includes the benefit of the FES Vista Money Prepaid MasterCard could be a lifesaver. So think about it. Is there potential to earn substantial income or what? We get paid for the accumulation of Protection Plan memberships, and because the majority of the services we offer within the Protection Plan can also be sold individually, a tremendous income can be earned on just credit restoration sales alone. We can also reap tremendous financial rewards by developing corporate accounts with the countless industries, companies, and small businesses who need credit-worthy clients. In addition, managing a team of agents can earn substantial bonuses, commissions, overrides, and a strong residual income. But even more powerful, the FES benefits. How about the opportunity to drive a new Audi, receive a retirement bonus, have your house paid for, and even cash bonuses totaling millions of dollars a year, all paid for by FES? FES also recognizes the importance of protecting your family by giving you the ability to receive premium health insurance, additional life insurance, and other financial services, making sure your future is safe, secure, and extremely bright. Another key ingredient to the success of FES is our training and support provided by FES University. We have a plethora of conference call, online, and live local trainings, as well as national advanced workshops that take place across the country, so all of our agents gain the knowledge, training, and support they need to succeed. Finally, FES is a well-established company founded in 2004 with strong leadership, a tremendous track record, and outstanding integrity. FES is innovative and has created a cutting-edge ground floor opportunity with the goal of becoming a billion-dollar company helping American people recover, rebuild, and even retire. So now you know why someone recommended you to watch the short corporate overview. Right now, people are dealing with many financial challenges. Credit scores are declining at a record-breaking pace, and awareness and education about finances and credit is on the rise. And as this continues to happen, the market only grows bigger, generating wealth and freedom for those who capitalize on it. Understand, there's no shortage of individuals needing our services and opportunities, only a shortage of regional agents bringing FES to the marketplace. In addition, aren't there more people tired and frustrated with the traditional corporate rat race and their lack of control as it relates to their income, time, advancement, and retirement? You see, FES is a hybrid marketing company that combines the structure of corporate America and the freedom, flexibility, and earning potential of entrepreneurism. We've got the knowledge, the technology, services that everyone needs, and a powerful financial model that's unprecedented. So the FES career opportunity is definitely not in question. The only thing in question is what, if anything, are you going to do with it? Most people will continue to do nothing other than complain about their poor credit and financial condition. Many people will ignore their need to improve their credit and finances. And then you have the rare individual who may already be financially free and is just not looking for an opportunity. But what about you? Do you want the great advantages of the FES Protection Plan membership and the benefit of the FES Vista Money Prepaid MasterCard? Or maybe even one step further, you see the opportunity of providing a high-quality essential service and getting paid handsomely to do so. And it's just so simple. All you have to do is make a decision. Just let the agent who directed you to watch this video know whether, number one, it's not the right fit for me at this particular time, but I surely could refer some people. Number two, I could absolutely benefit from the Protection Plan membership and would love to significantly increase my credit score. So how do I go about getting the service? Or number three, it makes perfect sense. Just show me how to become an agent. I think we all would agree that we need to be a lot smarter and do a much better job with the way we handle our credit, our finances, and our lives. And with FES, you can count on a solid company that positions you right smack in the middle of the timeliest opportunity in America today. It's just a matter of recognizing it and acting on it. So from all of us at FES, we wish you the best for success.